Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail easy full guide. Start by gathering spirits, mixers, ice, a jigger, a shaker, and garnishes, then sanitize your tools. Choose simple recipes with 3 to 4 ingredients to build confidence. Keep bitters, a citrus, and a sweetener on hand to vary drinks quickly. Taste as you go and adjust sweetness or acidity by small increments to match your preference and glassware. Gathering the right tools makes cocktail making faster and more reliable, and it need not be expensive. Start with a jigger, shaker, strainer, and bar spoon, then add a muddler and citrus zester if you enjoy more complex drinks. Keep tools organized and dry so you can move quickly between recipes. Small investments in quality tools pay off in taste and speed, especially when hosting friends or experimenting at home. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy cocktail tips. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for prepping garnishes, syrups, and leftover mixers because they prevent spills and save fridge space, making bartending cleaner and faster. They stack well and travel without leaks, which is great for parties. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use a straightforward formula to simplify recipe creation and improvisation. Spirit, sour, sweet, optional bitter, or herbal element. Start with a 2:1:1 ratio, then tweak by tasting and adjusting 1/4 increments. Keep syrup and citrus prepped for quick assembly. Practice making a few variations to learn how each ingredient shifts flavor, so you can confidently mix drinks from memory for guests or a relaxed evening.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.